Everybody, welcome back. This video is to show you how to add frequently asked questions to your services that you provide. So make sure you logged in to your dashboard, and I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to click on admin and it will take me to my dashboard. So go to services, click on all services, and the list of your services will be on this section here, and just choose the service you want. At the moment I only have one service created, but just choose the service you want and click on the question mark here and add service frequently asked questions. You can add as many as you like. So in this instance I'm gonna add 2. So I'm going to copy this here quickly. So this is going to be the title. Let me just cut that quickly and paste it here. And let me copy the other just in case. So this is the question: how long will it take to assemble my wardrobe? You can select active or inactive. Active means the moment you click save, it will show on your profile on your services. Inactive means it will be created but it is not visible to anyone except you. So we're going to choose active and then click on save. So if we go back to the main menu on the service and refresh the page, let's just go to providers quickly. This is the provider. If we click on the service, this is the service we added the frequently asked questions to. If you scroll down, as you can see here, frequently asked question, and it said how long will it take to assemble my wardrobe. So if you click on the plus, you'll see the response here. So we're gonna add another frequently asked questions. So similarly, go to your services, all services, click on add service. Not add service. Click on choose the service you want to add the frequently asked question on, and click on the question mark and add service frequently asked question. So I'm going to paste my description right there, which I've already copied previously. So I'm just going to make it look nice. And then we're going to paste the title here. So this time let's click on inactive and save. So as you can see, it has been saved but it is not visible to anyone. But let me go and refresh the page. You see it's not visible yet, but if I click on this toggle here and come back and refresh the page, you see both of them is now here. They say, do I need to provide any tools or equipment? Can put it there, and as a professional, you can just add your response there. So it's good to have those frequently asked questions so customers can go through them and answer those questions early on without them having to reach out to you. So yeah, that's how you add frequently asked questions.